In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Suno. This is just a basic video showing you what you need to do to make money with Suno. But if you want a more in-depth tutorial, I have included the link down in the description for you to check out. That is a full course on the process that I'm about to show you. So what is Suno? Suno is an AI music generation app that generates music, both instrumental and with lyrics. Think of ChatGPT generating a beautiful image based on a prompt that you give it. Well, with Suno, you give it a prompt and it gives you two versions of a song instead of an image like ChatGPT would. Suno is a subscription-based service, but there are a few tiers to choose from. You do need a paid tier to use it with commercial rights. It's very inexpensive, being that the lower tier is the only one that you need. At the recording of this video, that tier is only $10 per month, and it will give you 5,000 credits. Now, to put that into perspective, each generation only costs you 10 credits, and you get 2 songs from each generation. But how do we make money with Suno? Well, there are many ways to make money with Suno. I'm only going to show you just one way. The easiest way is to create a YouTube channel around music. What you do is you create the channel, you create the videos using any video editing tool. Now, Capcut is probably the easiest one to use. It's free. I'll link that down in the description for you to check that out and upload those videos to YouTube. Now, I recommend both long form and short form vertical videos for variety. YouTube loves it when you upload both. So I'm going to show you here some examples of YouTube channels that are doing very well with music, and I want you to see how popular they are. Here's the first one, Meditation Relax Music. So they're basing this channel off of meditation and relaxation. And as you can see here, they have 241 videos, 2.77 million subscribers. Now, these are their long form videos. And this one, as you can see, they get a little overboard with this at 12 hours. For this one, it's probably a sleep one. Here's another one with 4 hours. There's another 12 hours, another 4 hours. So it looks like they're going from 12 to 4 to 6 hours on theirs. Another one here is Soothing Relaxation. Here's another one based off of relaxation. They're going with 30-minute videos and 19-minute videos and 30 minutes. Here's that one almost 3 hours long. They have 12 million subscribers with 592 videos. Another one is Neural Frequency Sounds. And they have 138,000 subscribers with 338 videos. Now, just imagine how much money they're probably making with 138,000 subscribers. And if you go down here, let's look at their videos here real quick. And their videos, 8 hours ago, they've already had 991 views. 4 days ago, almost 10,000 views. 6 days ago, almost 3,000 views. 9 days ago, almost 10,000 views again. So they're definitely getting the watches and the watch hours. With these videos of an hour long, their watch hours are going up pretty quick when it comes to monetization. And I'll get to that here in just a second. Another one is morning music. They're basing them off of morning music. Good morning and morning music. Basically, that's what they're titling these at. 2.7 views, 8.3 thousand views, 3,000 views, 3,000 views, 8,000 views, 3,000 views. So they're definitely getting the views. They've got 408,000 subscribers, and they've got 1,600 videos. And the last one here I'm going to show you, this person has 22,000 subscribers with 236 videos. This is Mr. Force 15. His is going anywhere from 2 hours to almost 12 hours. A lot of them are 12-hour long, and 292 views, 463 views. Not as many views as before, but like I said, it doesn't take very long to get those watch hours built up based on a 12-hour video. If all you need is just one person to watch that video or just a couple of them to rack up your hours required for monetization. But how do we make money from these videos though? YouTube has a monetization method where they share their ad revenue with you based on how many ad watches that you get. In order to get that revenue, you must meet a few guidelines first. So, number one is 1,000 subscribers. You have to have 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for YouTube monetization. And either 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. That's why I put shorts views and my long form views in there at the same time. YouTube likes both a variety, and that way, if one of your shorts goes viral, you might hit that 10 million shorts views before you hit that 365 days of 4,000 public watch hours. So the best way to hit this monetization goal is to upload consistently on a regular basis. Now, YouTube does reward consistency. Also, you want to make sure that your target keyword shows in the title so that it can be easily found by people searching for it. A new channel takes time to gain traction, so make sure that you keep with it. Usually within 6 months, sometimes even quicker if you upload great content of continually uploading, your channel will be gaining good traction for your monetization. And sometimes it won't take very long at all, especially if you're like some of these people and put 12-hour videos on there. So going back here to Suno, all you would need to do to create the music is go in and do your create, click create, and then you would need to click on song description, and you would just put in a song description. A great way to do this is to use AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Gemini or your favorite AI chat app, to help you come up with a prompt. And you just tell it, hey, I want to create an instrumental song on morning relaxation. And it will give you everything that you need. You just copy and paste into here. And if you don't want lyrics, the best thing to put here is instrumental. Just click that instrumental button. And then you'll just need to click the create button. I didn't put anything in here. Let me just throw something in here real quick. And just click that create button. And it'll give you some suggestions here as well on what you can do. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more ways to make money online. Suno is gaining popularity crazy right now. People are loving the music that are coming out with it. You can do a lot of things with Suno to make money. This is just one way to do it. I might put more on here later, so make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Also, if you want a hold your hand method, what I like to call it, from start to finish on how to do this, I've linked to a resource down below. If you want to go ahead and get that, that's going to show you everything that you need to do in order to get this up and running for you. If you use those tips that they give in that resource, then you'll be able to do this within a half hour every single day. So if you can take a half hour out of your day to create a video with music and upload it, you don't need to put video in there, by the way. You can put still images in there. Get ChatGPT to give you a still image. You put that in your video. You put your music behind it. That way your still image is all the way at the top. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to put any animations on there. Just go through and watch other people the way they do it. Some people use animations and some people don't, and it's working for them just as well as the animated ones. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.